Hello students, in this video I'm going to cover this poem The Giraffe and I hope you will enjoy this poem. The poem is written by Oliver. So let's get started. See the giraffe, he is so tall, there is not room to get him all. Children, in these lines the poet is saying that, see the giraffe, he is so tall. Everyone knows that giraffe is the tallest animal, right? There's not room to get him all. It means that we don't have that type of room in which giraffe can enter and can live in a comfortable manner. Okay, so it's very difficult for giraffe to settle in a normal room. Upon the page his head is higher, the picture proves it then the spire. Now children, these lines mean that as you can see in the picture, it is an incomplete picture of giraffe. Why? Because giraffe is so tall and the person who has drawn this picture, it was difficult for him to cover the complete picture of giraffe because giraffe is a tall animal. In fact, this picture is a proof of a fact that giraffe is a tall animal. Okay, if a question comes, now how can you say that giraffe is a tall animal? Give one example from the poem. You can write this thing. Also, the second reason is that giraffe is taller than the spire. Okay, we can see the complete picture of spire. We can see the complete picture of a tower, right? Which is also a tall, right? But it's an incomplete picture of giraffe. Giraffe is taller than the spire. Now, all those children who don't know the meaning of spire, spire is the cone shape of tower, the top cone shape of tower. So, giraffe is taller than the spire. Next line. That's why the people, when they race to catch him, call it steeplechase. Now, children, let me tell you one another fact of giraffe. Like giraffe, he runs as if he is running in a steeplechase. Now, what is steeplechase? It's a kind of race in which participants they jump over fences and water and so on to complete the race. Okay, so giraffe, he is not afraid of all these hurdles. Okay, when he runs, he jumps over fences, water, and so on, and many hurdles and completes a race. So it's very difficult to compete with giraffe in a race. His chief delight is to set a good example, shine or wet. Now, children, chief delight means pleasure, right? So, his good point is that he is very punctual and it's a good example for everyone, whether it is sunny day or whether it is rainy day. Now, children, here shine means sunny day and wet means rainy day. Now, children, in this these words means that whether it is sunny or whether it is rainy, meaning every day giraffe follows his rules of timings. Okay. He rises ere the break of day. He starts his breakfast right away. It means that giraffe rises. Ere means before. In traditional poetry, the poet used to write these words, ere. So, ere is a traditional word which means before. Giraffe rises before the sunrise. Okay, now here break of day means before sunrise, before starting of day, dawn. Okay, it means before sunrise and start his breakfast right away. As soon as giraffe gets up, he eats his breakfast. His food has such a way to go, his throat so very long and so. Now, as you can see, giraffe has a very long neck. So, his food has such a way to go and his throat so very long and so. So, his food takes time to travel through his neck to reach to his stomach. An early breakfast he must munch to get it down ere time for lunch. Now here the poet is saying that he should eat his breakfast on time. Otherwise it would be difficult for him to eat his lunch, to have his lunch. Why is he saying that? Because if he will eat his breakfast late, then the food will take time to reach to the stomach. Then it would be difficult for the giraffe to have his lunch. Okay, so that's why our giraffe is so punctual regarding his meals. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed this poem and I hope you have understood this poem.